Hi, welcome to Dad Talk Network. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Today I'm back in the kitchen with my wife Tracy. So Tracy, what are we cooking today?
So today I'm going to make a beet citrus salad. It has all sorts of nice leafy greens in it with roasted beets and sliced oranges with a nice vinaigrette dressing.
Just cut the stem piece off and the tail. So once I finished cutting off the tip and the stem, I gave it a quick wash. As you see here, I yielded about 9 or 10 beets. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place these beets in the foil, and I'm just going to bake them just as you would a baked potato. But because these are on the smaller side, you can kind of bunch them together. I have a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and 50 to 60 minutes, almost an hour.
I just want to show you how to slice the oranges that will go inside of the salad.
So cut the ends. You cut the sides down along the shape of the orange. Cut into slices. Turn it on the side, and there you have it.
So I have a huge mixing bowl that I'm going to use to mix the salad together. I have 2.5 ounces of baby spinach, 2.5 ounces of arugula. I have about 4 small to medium sized oranges, a whole English cucumber that I cut into pieces. I have about a cup of cherry tomatoes that I cut in half. I have a whole large red onion chopped into pieces. I have here some beet leaves. I took the leaves off the beets, cleaned them, and I chopped them off. So this is about maybe 4 or 5 leaves. I have here about a 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds. Now you can use roasted walnuts or pecans or almonds and chop them up if you want, instead of sunflower seeds if you like. But I like sunflower seeds, so I'm going to use that in this salad. And then I have about a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. You can also use goat cheese or feta if you like, crumpled. But I have some family members that don't care for those cheeses. They like Parmesan, so I'm going to use Parmesan in this cheese. I'm going to show you how to make the dressing.
So here I have 3/4 of a cup of olive oil, extra virgin, 3/4 of a cup of balsamic vinegar. I have a tablespoon of parsley, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. I have 2 tablespoons of white sugar. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and I'm going to salt and pepper to taste. So first, here I have the mixing bowl with a whisk. I'm going to put in the bowl the sugar. I'm going to put in the parsley and the Italian seasoning. I'm going to put in about that tablespoon of the Dijon mustard, approximately a tablespoon. And I'm going to first start with the balsamic vinegar and whisk everything together. I'm going to save the oil for last because what it'll do, it'll help to emulsify everything at the end. I think I'm going to add maybe another 1/2 tablespoon of the mustard. Just to use a little bit of salt and pepper. Not too much salt. I'm just going to take maybe about 3 or 4 turns cracked pepper. Now I can do as much of that as I want, really, because I love cracked pepper. So I'm going to give it several good grinds here. So now I'm going to add the oil and emulsify this dressing. Giving the beets another check. And the knife went right through very easily. So that is a sign that they're completely done all the way through. I will let them cool. I will peel them and then cut them into pieces. one of the beets, and you can do it with a paper towel, or you can pull the skin with your finger. If you want to wear gloves, if you don't like the red beet. I'm going to peel the remaining beets, and then we'll begin to cut them in pieces and put the salad together. I'm going to start with adding the different lettuce, which is baby spinach, the lettuce leaves from the beets, and the arugula. Then I can add the remaining ingredients, the cucumbers, and those cucumbers will pickle nicely as the salad chills in the refrigerator. I'm gonna add tomato slices. Look how beautiful the colors are. And then we're gonna add the sunflower seed and the Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna add the beets after I give this a good toss because I don't want them to break up too much into the salad. I'm gonna give this a good toss. And then what I'll do is I'll fold the beets in. And give this a nice stir. Mix those beets in there. Balsamic, that vinaigrette that I made, I'm gonna put half of it in. Going to give it a good, oh, look how beautiful that is. And that balsamic just goes, vinaigrette just goes so beautifully with beets. And if you really like any of these ingredients, you can always add extra. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the salt and pepper. This is the type of salad you really don't want to put it in the bowl because you really won't be able to see how beautiful the salad is. Beet and orange salad.
Okay, so now the taste test.
And some of that orange and the lettuce. Wonderful.
Perfect.
Orange and beet goes well together.
Try some of that.
You'll love it.
As always, thank you for watching Dad Talk Network in this episode of Back in the Kitchen with my wife, Tracy. Stay tuned for our upcoming episode soon. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment.